Welcome back to Chem 510. In this video, we will discuss about what is Volpin Rule, extension of Volpin Rule with some examples. So, let's start the video. Firstly, we will discuss Huckel theory. What is Huckel theory? Huckel theory is applied to monocyclic system which is planar conjugated and having 4n plus 2 electrons, where n is an integer. We know very well Huckel theory. Then what is Volpin theory or Volpin rule? Huckel rule can be applied to polycyclic ring system provided that each ring must have correct number of pi electrons, which is known as Volpin rule. In Volpin rule, Huckel's rule can be applied to polycyclic ring, but having correct number of pi electrons, which is known as Volpin rule. But what is extension of Volpin rule? In extension of Volpin rule, compound must be cyclic, planar, conjugated and no 2 pi electrons are common between more than 2 rings. We will see with example. I write the example. In this example, compound is cyclic, planar, having conjugated double bond. You can see single, double, single, double, single, double, single, double, in this way. And no 2 pi electrons are common between more than 2 rings. Here pi electrons are common between these rings, so this is non-aromatic compound. Now here I draw one table. On the basis of this table, we can say which compound is aromatic and which compound is non-aromatic by means of Volpin rule. So first, part A having 4 pi plus 2 pi electrons, and part B having 4n plus 2 pi electron. Total of that is 4n plus 2 pi electrons, then compound will be aromatic. We will take one example. Sorry. Here pi bond is common between them. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 pi electrons, and also here 6 pi electrons. So 4n plus 2, n is equal to 1, so 6 pi electrons. Here this rule is applicable, so this is aromatic compound. Now second one, part A having 4n pi electrons, B having 4n pi electrons, and its addition is equal to 4n plus 2 pi electrons, then that will be non-aromatic compound. Third one is part 1 having 4n pi electrons, second having 4n plus 2 pi electron, and its addition will be 4n plus 2 pi electrons, then it should be non-aromatic. So we take some examples for clear this table. First one is take azulene. Here 6 pi electrons, here also 6 pi electrons, so 4n plus 2 pi electrons, 4n plus 2 pi electron is equal to 4n plus 2 pi electron is aromatic one. Now we will take another one. here 8 pi electrons, 8 pi electrons, so 4n, 4n, n is equal to 2, so is equal to 4n. This example satisfies this rule, so this is non-aromatic compound. Now here 4 pi electrons, here 6 pi electrons, so 4n and 4n plus 2, this satisfies this rule. This is non-aromatic compound. So in this way we will see what is aromatic and what is non-aromatic compound. So in this video we have seen that what is Huckel's rule. Huckel's rule is applicable for monocyclic system which is planar conjugated having 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Also, what is Volpin rule? Huckel's rule can be applied to polycyclic ring system provided that each ring must have correct number of pi electrons, is known as Volpin rule. But there is one extension of Volpin rule, that is compound must have cyclic, planar, conjugated and no 2 pi electrons are common between more than 2 rings. This is extension of Volpin rule, and on the basis of this table we can say which compound is aromatic, which compound is non-aromatic. So this is about this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.